starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you.
Good morning, guys. So that was just a couple clips from the morning. I don't know, sometimes I feel like just recording random stuff that happens in the morning because it's fun to look back on, and I don't know, I just like it. So there was that this morning. We had some breakfast.
Upside down.
I know, because my camera is kind of broken. It always flips me upside down. Anyway, today is Wednesday. I have some stuff coming from Target, which I'm excited about, so I'll show you guys what I got. This is actually a tank top from Target that I got in my last order of stuff. I bought myself some new clothes and I really like these. They're just like ribbed tank tops, but the neck is cut higher and it like covers like my bra straps and everything, so that's really nice. I feel much more put together when my tank top fits right, aside from that. There we go. But I think these fit and look a lot nicer than the other ones that I was wearing that were kind of like low cut and like hung too low and everything. So thanks Target for some new tank tops. And today it's gonna be a nice day. It's supposed to be like 75, so we're gonna do nothing today. We're gonna stay home and play outside, and when Noah goes upstairs to take a nap, I'm gonna sit out in the sun and just enjoy the sun for, I don't know, these are probably gonna be like the last warmish days where I can do that. So yeah, I have our vacuum going upstairs. I should show you our vacuum. We have a robot vacuum now. It's upstairs cleaning. Maybe I'll go show you. Where is it? Oh, there it is. We got an iRobot, so yeah, it's cleaning up here for me, which is so nice because I don't get to vacuum up here as much as I should. So yeah, look, you can see where it started. It starts off in a circle and it just goes like around until it hits something, and then it starts going all these different directions. So it's gonna do my room, and then I'll have it do Chase's room, and then the hallway. Greg got that for me on Amazon. I think it was like I don't know, it was on sale, and then it had like a thing where you could pay monthly for it instead of paying all at once. And at first I really didn't think I was going to use it, but it's actually really nice. I use it, like I said, for vacuuming upstairs. I'll use it for the living room. I'll use it to clean up in the kitchen, like all the crumbs and everything, so I don't have to sweep a bajillion times a day. And then I still bring out the regular vacuum, like not as much as I used to, but I'll still bring it out to get like corners and stuff where that doesn't get, and to do the bathroom and stuff like that. What are you doing? You're standing on the chair and sharing Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Look at him. He's gonna climb the kitchen chairs very soon. All right, so it is 5:15, having dinner. It's a little bit early. I don't know, Noah usually is hungry around 5, and he was hungry when we came in from outside, so I started dinner. So we're having, since it's nice out, I grilled, I made some hot dogs. So we got a hot dog. I also made macaroni salad, and then we got baked beans. So you like the baked beans, don't you?
What? Yeah. I'm having macaroni salad.
Madison is just having macaroni salad because she doesn't like hot dogs. She thinks she doesn't like hot dogs anymore.
I don't like hot dogs.
Was it just after that one time that you puked after eating those hot dogs, or did you always not like hot dogs?
I always didn't like hot dogs.
Because I feel like you used to eat them.
No.
So it's bath time right now. Got Noah in the tub. Chase is in the tub too. You're not in the video. I'm not showing you. Yeah. But I'm still waiting for my Target stuff to get here, and I just checked, and it's out. It's out for delivery today. It still hasn't come yet. Stop! UPS is supposed to deliver it, so they have till 9 o'clock. So hopefully I still get my stuff today so I can show you what I got. And I didn't get time to even like sit out in the sun today like I wanted to. But it was so cute before. All the neighborhood, like all the kids on the street were like all outside playing together and like yard hopping, like going into everybody's backyards and front yards and playing together. And I had like kids in our yard. And so the kids all got to play with each other. So that was really cute. But yeah, it was really nice out today and they had a lot of fun outside. I guess we were outside for like 2 hours. And
2 hours?
yeah.
Ew, wait. He's a bigger bird. Ew, mommy.
Oh, come here. Let me comb it. Oh, let me comb it. Look. Show the camera. Show the camera your hair. So cute. So cute. Yeah. There we go. Here. Good job. You comb your hair? Good job. Alright guys, so it is the next day now. I want to show you what I got from Target, except I don't even think, I'm keeping one thing I think, and the rest I'm just going to return. I don't know. I was like on this kick of trying to find myself new clothes, so I ordered a bunch of stuff and, well, I don't know. I got 2 dresses. I don't even remember like the names of them. This one was like a trapeze dress, I think it was called. But I don't know. It just kind of made me feel like a little girl wearing it. I don't know. And then this one, I thought I was going to like it. I was hoping I was going to like it, but there's too much fabric at the top. It's like a long dress and it's like cinched at the waist. The neckline, the neck is like a high neck on it, which I like, but I just don't like how the top fits. It's like way too much material or something, and the back is like saggy too, so I don't know what's going on with that. And then I bought this skirt in 2 sizes, and I'm actually gonna keep one of them, I think, just because it was pretty inexpensive. It was only $17. Yeah, $17, and I just think it looks so cute, but I don't know what to wear it with. Like, I don't know what shoes to wear it with. I actually bought boots because, stop. If you go on the Target app, you guys probably know what I'm talking about, but you can go and like, I don't know, there's a section where it's just pictures of regular people wearing clothes, and that's where I was like getting all these ideas from. I was seeing what everyone else was wearing and then deciding from that what I wanted to buy. And then there was a girl wearing that skirt and these boots, so I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna get the boots and, you know, maybe I'll keep the boots, but I don't know. So these were the ones that I bought. They're like knee-high ones. I have them like all put back away because I think I'm gonna return them. I don't know, they're comfortable-ish. This part kind of hits my ankle a little bit, but I think it would be okay because I wouldn't be like walking a lot in these. But I don't know, they're like $40 and I don't think that I would wear them very much. And I feel like the $40 would be better spent on something that I would wear like a lot or something. And Chase has been playing with kinetic sand for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes or so.
Is this a baby tooth?
That's an adult tooth.
Wait, no.
Yeah. He's got like rock tools and stuff. Very cool. Well, Noah was telling me that he was done 2 seconds ago, but I guess he's not done. I actually did some more paint colors or paint swatches just before. Because, alright, so the living room is painted Eider white, and it's a very white color, and I like it. I just don't know if I want to do that through the whole house anymore. I feel like it works in the living room because it's like a light, or it's like a small room, and I'm just happy having like a lighter color in there. But for the rest of the house and upstairs, I don't know if I want it to be that white. So I've been rethinking my Eider white that I was going to use through the whole house, and I did some more swatches. So, alright, so this is Eider white. That was like the first color that I tried it here. And then these I did a while ago, and I couldn't remember which was which. So I did new swatches. So this is Pale Oak from Benjamin Moore, and then that one is Egret White from Sherwin-Williams, which are supposed to be pretty similar, and they do look very similar in here.
Yeah.
And then this right here is Agreeable Gray, except it's only one coat, so I need to do another coat on top of that. And yeah, for these big swatches over here, I don't think I said it, but this is pale oak on the bottom and that's egret white on the top. I think I like the pale oak, which is the color that Madison wanted to do the living room, but I thought it might have been too dark. I don't know. Anyway, that's where I'm at with that. Rethinking the colors for the upstairs and the rest of down here. And hopefully I can get this room painted soon. Like, I want to pick a color and get this done really soon because this is going to be our school room and we are starting school on October 1st. So I don't think it's going to be done by then, but hopefully I can get it done soon so this room can look nice for school.